The U.S. seems to have scored a major victory against China in the Latin American nation of Panama. Panama's Supreme Court has ruled that 2 ports operated by a Hong Kong-based company were given contracts unconstitutionally. These are the same ports that U.S. President Donald Trump had denounced last year. This is one of the Chinese-operated ports in question, the port of Balboa on the Pacific side of the Panama Canal. It's run by the Panama Ports Company, which is a subsidiary of the Hong Kong-based firm C.K. Hutchinson. This firm has operated the port of Balboa and Cristobal Port on the Atlantic side of the canal since 1997. But after returning to power last year, President Trump said that China was using the 2 ports to control the Panama Canal. The U.S. used this as a pretext to pressure Panama. Trump said that the U.S. had given the canal to Panama, not China, and he threatened to take the canal back. In the months since Trump's threat, Panama has held multiple discussions with the U.S., and the Latin American nation has been tightening the screws on the Chinese port owners. Last April, Panama accused the Chinese firm of not paying its dues. Panama said the Chinese firm owed $1.2 billion in taxes between 1997 and 2021. The Hong Kong-based company denied the allegations, but its billionaire owner, Li Ka-shing, decided to exit the port venture. By March, C.K. Hutchinson announced a deal to sell dozens of its ports, including the 2 in Panama, to a consortium led by the American investment company BlackRock. The deal was valued at close to $23 billion, but it was stalled, reportedly due to objections by the Chinese government. And now, the latest ruling by Panama Supreme Court is a fresh blow to C.K. Hutchinson and to China's ambitions in Panama. Beijing has issued this statement.
I believe you have noticed that the company in question had issued a statement immediately, stating that the ruling is contrary to the laws under which Panama approved the relevant franchise rights, and that the company reserves all rights, including the right to pursue legal proceedings. The Chinese side will take all necessary measures to resolutely safeguard the legitimate rights and interests of Chinese companies.
Despite the defiant tone, China has been facing multiple setbacks in Panama since Trump's return to power. And it's not just Panama. Trump has brought America's old Monroe Doctrine back to the forefront. He has insisted on re-establishing U.S. hegemony all across the Western Hemisphere. And for now, his plan is working at China's expense. Let's see how Xi Jinping responds.